SAIC Volkswagen has officially unveiled the ID.3 GTX kit, available for the Chinese market in two configurations, Extreme Edition and Extreme Edition, and 5 trendy color options. Limited time prices are 137,388 yuan and 144,888 yuan, respectively. In terms of price, the difference between the ID.3 GTX kit and the top-of-the-line version isn't significant, but the emotional value the new car can bring is far greater. Even the GT red color alone is unprecedented in the ID.3 series. The new car features a classic short suspension, long axle layout with a 4,266 by 1,778 by 1,568 mm body size and a 2,765 mm wheelbase. The cockpit design strikes a balance between sporty atmosphere and practical philosophy, and the red stitching throughout the cockpit is unmistakable. The central control layout is driver-focused, adopting a new design featuring a handshifter and floating island, and a wireless mobile phone charging area has been integrated into the freed-up area. The 12.9-inch central control display is equipped with a GTX-themed user interface and supports track data recording. Another visually striking feature is the GTX extensive suede finish, which distinguishes it from other models in the ID.3 series. In terms of power, the GTX continues to be equipped with a rear-wheel drive motor with a maximum power output of 125 kilowatts, 170 horsepower, a peak torque of 310 Nm, and a 53.6 kilowatt-hour battery pack providing a CLTC pure electric range of 451 kilometers. It also supports fast charging. This means the vehicle offers a comfortable driving experience when starting off, overtaking, and changing lanes, and the battery life is sufficient for daily commuting and urban travel. Users don't even need to worry about mileage. In fast charging mode, it takes just 0.75 hours to reach 80% from 0%. SAIC Volkswagen has also launched a series of official modification plans for this model, including a limited edition red and grey contrast GTX battlesuit, the legendary Journey, the same Cyber Lightning vehicle cover as the official modified concept car, X-shaped sporty taillights, and an electric tailgate. In the future, more personalized, mass-produced modification parts will be available, complying with regulations, to fulfill the equal rights modification dream of more people. The ID.3 GTX still has its own unique logic. This isn't a simple overlay of sporty kit, but a profound redesign of the MEB pure electric architecture, injecting the GTX genetics. From the driving concentration provided by the stick shift, to the precise cornering capabilities of the electronically controlled chassis, and a 451 km range that eliminates mileage concerns, it demonstrates that electrification and driving pleasure are never at odds with each other, utilizing German engineering expertise. Amidst the hustle and bustle of the automotive market, the ID.3 GTX remains true to its original purpose and remains committed to the essence of driving. Controlling electricity with people continues the spirit of hot hatchbacks in the electric age.